Well, y'all got the intake off, and this is the definition of a gunked up, fucked up motor. Look at it; it done had water all down in it and everything. And they gave him a 30-day warranty, y'all. I'm gonna pull one of the valve covers off and let y'all look at it. Look at that. Look at that. That's fucked up. Wow. Just been had. Well, that's what it is, y'all. Got the intake off. I don't think I'm gonna do no more on it. Call him over here and let him look at it, let him check it out, and see what he got going on, what he want to do about this, or where he want to go from here. So that's what time it is. Holler back at y'all.